Milwalkee M12 pot rivet gun. A lot of people don't like these, but I'll tell you what, we're using 4.8 27mm rivets, and it pulls them in one go. So, one go. The hopper does take the rivets or whatever, but I don't normally use it. I just empty it straight out. One go. One pull of the trigger. We have to do these by hands, and it takes ages, and it will make your wrist ache. Right. Milwalkee M12. Nice bit of kit. Comes with, what's it, 3 or 4 different sizes. And to empty it, you just pull it back off, and that's all your spews off the rivets. Thank you.